Yeah, hi. My name is Vishal Choksi. I'm from Bridge Labs, co-founder and CEO there. Coming from a 23 year of my learning journey, majority of being in Tata's actually. When this was approached, I was just wondering, जाऊं नहीं जाऊं, क्या करूं? मतलब, it's all about value add, spending time where it's worth. I came in with a very open mind, and I think your team has done a fantastic job. It's not visually or glamorous in approach, but it is very nice as a thought and content. I'm sure you'll develop more as you go along, and anywhere I can be of help, I'll be very glad. Our organization, uh, and I left very high paying, uh, glamorous jobs to have the startup worked out, where we provide livelihoods to the kids, right? And it is an outcome approach that we take them from colleges or as freshers to IT companies as developers and give them livelihood. So that's what we do. I myself conduct some of the sessions where I talk to them, and some of the things which I could just very much relate is that I tell them that does Sachin Tendulkar ever felt like he was working? Did A.R. Rahman felt like that he was working? I think it's all connected to passion, and somewhere your flow framework is connected to a spark of passion that is there. So I think if you can bring that out and inspire a lot of people, I don't think so. It's only the founders and us fraternity, but the kids also needs to have this flow in their life to grow. Then they can become better founders probably.
Yeah. Thank
Right.
you.
So all the best and do well. Thanks.
Thank you.